Here we discuss some miscellaneous question. Very first, we have to factorize 1 plus x plus y minus z plus yx minus yz minus x minus zx minus xyz. When we put x equals to 1 minus 1, we get its value 0 as we observe in the expression. So it has one factor x plus 1. We arrange in such a way we get x plus 1 as a common. So taking common 1 in first two term plus y in second two term minus z in third two term and yz in the last two term. So here we get one factor x plus 1 and the another factor 1 plus y minus z minus yz. Here again when we put y equals to 1 minus 1, again we get the value of the second factor is 0. So it has also another factor y plus 1. Again we arrange in such a way we get y plus 1 is a common. So here we get x plus 1, y plus 1 and the last factor 1 minus 0. Question number 2. Factorize x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 minus 3x plus 3 by x. We discuss very first three term x square 1 by x minus 2. We write x square 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. It is written in the form of x minus 1 by x whole square and taken minus 3 common in the last two term, we get minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. Here we get first term, first factor x minus 1 by x and the second factor x minus 1 by x minus 3. Now question number third, factorize x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1. We write whole square of x square and whole square of 1 by x square whole square, adding 1 and subtracting 1, we getting plus 2 minus 1. Finally, we write x square whole square 1 by x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x minus 1. So we get x square plus 1 by x whole square minus 1 square. Again, it is in the form of a square b square. So first adding and second subtracting. Again, in the first factor we adding 1 and subtracting 1. And we again arrange its x square 1 by x square plus 2 into x 1 by x minus 1. This is again in the form of a square minus b square. So by adding 1 and subtracting 1, we get the factor x plus 1 by x plus 1 and the second one x plus 1 by x minus 1 and the third factor x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. We have to factorize a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4. Here we just write whole square of a square and whole square of b square. Here adding a square b square and subtracting a square b square. Here we get whole square of a square plus 2 into a square b square plus b square whole square minus ab whole square. This is the form of a square plus b square whole square minus ab whole square. Again adding and subtracting, we get a square plus b square plus ab into a square plus b square minus ab. Now the next question, question number 5, we have to factorize a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. We write whole square of a to the power 4 and whole square of b to the power 4. Adding and subtracting, we get two factors a to the power 4 b to the power 4 into a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now we discuss the first factor. We write whole square of a square whole square of b square. Adding here 2a square b square and subtracting 2a square b square, and the second factors we write whole square of a square and whole square of b square. Now we get the second factor in the form of a square plus b square whole square minus under root a square b square whole square, and the second factor a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Here we get a square plus b square plus under root 2ab into a square b square minus under root 2ab, a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Question number 6. Factorize 4x to the power 4 plus 7x square minus 2. Here we put x square equals to u, so x to the power 4 equals to u square. Now we get 4u square minus 7u minus 2. Now it is in the form of a quadratic trinomial. Splitting middle terms, we write 4u square plus 8u minus 2, taking common 4u in first two term and minus 1 in the second two term. We get one factor u plus 2 and get the second factor 4u minus 1. By putting the value of u, we get 4x square minus 1, x square plus 2. So the first factor written in the form of 2x whole square minus 1, x square plus 2. So we write x square plus 1, x square minus 1, x square plus 2. X plus 2 and x minus 2 are the factors of x square plus 10x square plus mx plus n. Find the value of m and n. Here given px equals to x cube 10x square plus mx plus n. Equation first. X plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of px. So px is also written in the form of x plus 2 into x minus 1. By multiplying we get x square minus plus x minus 2. From equation 1 and 2 we equating both sides, and finally we get by calculating m equals to 1 and n equals to minus 2. Now question number 8, given here 1 a by b, b by a equals to minus 1. Find the value of aq minus bq. Given here 1 by a by b plus b by a equals to 1. By simplifying we get a square plus b square equals to minus ab, and finally we can write a square plus b square plus ab equals to 0. Now aq minus bq equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b. A square plus b square plus ab. In place of a square plus b square plus ab we write 0. So finally we get its value 0. Now the last question, question number 9, a plus b plus c equals to 0, ab plus bc plus ca equals to 23. Find the value of aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc. A plus b plus c equals to 9. Squaring both sides, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab into 2bc into 2ca equals to 81. Now putting the value of AB plus BC plus CA equals to 23. So we get the value of A square plus B square plus C square equals to 81 minus 46 equals to 35. Therefore AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now putting the value of A square, B square, C square and AB, BC, CA, we get 9 into 35 minus 23, that is 9 into 12 equals to 108.